Hi, I'm Mark Riddle. I'm a design associate here at Room and Board in Washington, D.C. And we're here in a one-bedroom apartment in D.C. That I'm going to kind of walk you through, give you some of the ideas of why we did what we did and how we think things work well here. I think many people, when they're really looking to put furniture in a space like this, they think maybe a large sofa and a love seat. And while in some instances that can work, it often ends up being a lot of arms and legs. So this really gives you the utility of a sofa and love seat without all of the clutter of lots of different legs and arms going together. I think in part the curved back sofa really sort of influenced the other pieces that were in the room. But the great thing is that all of these pieces together really make for a space that is easy to navigate, that it's easy to walk around. You don't have corners of the table that you have to maneuver. The chair that's by the hallway, you don't have to get around in that way. I don't have a lot of space for end tables and table lamps, so the lamp that fits above works really well in that way and just completes the space. In a small space, I think a lot of people think that they need to really kind of stay neutral and light to keep the space light and airy. But I think you can really, to good effect, use pattern and color. I think we did that here. The chair color, the pattern on the rug really worked to kind of set the feeling of the space. But yet something like a larger piece of furniture is in a more neutral color because you're going to have it for a long time. So during that time, if your tastes change, you can more easily pull off pillows. The chair can go to a guest room or into the bedroom and you can get something else and everything will still work together. I think a key to effectively living in small spaces, if you can, is to go vertical. We did the same thing with the nightstand. We mounted a shelf on the wall. They give you storage space, they give you a place to put your keys, but they don't take up a lot of floor space. So they're very functional, but also really aesthetically pleasing because it's not giving you a very cluttered look. Every bedroom needs a chair to put your shoes on or off. So these chairs actually work really well in this corner with a little table and lamp. The unique thing about this is that these are also dining chairs. So when you do have company, you get to pull these chairs from the bedroom out to the dining room and entertain really gracefully. So this apartment, we put a dining table pretty much right in the kitchen. It serves a lot of functions, obviously for dining. It also tends to be a prep area and workspace for the kitchen. You'll see that there are two chairs here, and I think you really have to think again about how you live in the space. This apartment's probably just gonna have a couple, so for the majority of the time, they really just need two chairs. We put them on the end so that you can keep the hallway open and the workspace open. But if somebody is working here at the stove and wanting to talk to their partner, they can sit right there and be out of the way and not have a problem. So in the event that you do entertain, this is really versatile because you can open up the extension for the table. You can move these chairs to the side and bring out the two chairs from the bedroom. So you have seating for four that's really comfortable and everything is color coordinated so that it all works together in whatever space you're in. You could also easily add two more chairs to have a really comfortable seating for six as well. It really is a give and take. So that balance of prioritizing the things that mean the most to you, that will make your space feel comfortable to live in.